Well, look where I am today. I was going to have a set of those. Yeah. Alright, Bob, I'm filming. Yeah. My nobodies that I had on last year, they're going to the front. And I'm having those beasties on the back. They'll do the job. Well, there you go. The light ain't very good in here, so we got the nobodies on there. Maxis. What's that? Warm drive. Warm drive. Well, plenty of meat on them. So of course the other ones are on the front. They've hardly been touched, even after all that mileage I did this year. I keep leaving my mag mount aerial up. I keep forgetting about that. I wish I could get some of these done. Right, these are the tyres I bought last year. I mean, they virtually still got the little nibbles on them. I've hardly touched them. They've been on the back, and they have worn quite flat. Stone stuck in there. But let's have a look. Yeah, they're Coopers. I never doggy called that. Discoverer. And look at this. Womble never gets dirty. Yeah, I've had the back ones moved to the front, which I bought those last year sometime, I think it was, early last year, this time last year. And they haven't worn as slightest. And now I got these all-terrains on the back. They're Maxis all-terrains warm drive. I just took it down the road and there's no and nothing off them. So it might do some good. I've got to be honest, I didn't get stuck last year. It's just the front ones are getting a bit keen, so I had just had 2 new ones. I said fuck it, I just had 2 new ones. Yeah, that's a better view of those. Yeah. And that's a better view of those. There you go. All done. Doggy. Woof. Stop recording. Stop recording. Good morning. This is what I don't like about transits, is these draft excluder rubbers. They twist inside and they're only held on with sticky tape, and of course it's cold, sticky tape's lost its sort of stickiness. So now I'm going to have to clean all that off and clean all that off. I always stick that back up because it acts like a gutter. When the water runs inside the door, it runs down outside. But just lately I've been having a drip coming off there and down onto the door, doing that. And my radio works absolutely perfect, but I've lost reception, a very weak signal, like as if it's a distant signal, and I don't get radio reception back for over an hour when I leave here. And it's got auto seek as well and everything. It's the 6-disc multiplay in this one, and I keep losing everything. Well, that was an easy fix. Done that, no problem. Is all that was light. No, middle one, that's the one. The inside my box, I've unglued the carpet, and the aerial goes through the roof up there, and it's just a bad earth, so the aerial wasn't getting earthed out. I had visions of stripping my bloody radio out again. When I first bought the van, as you can see, I took the radio out to put the walnut dashing on, so I can put it on the radio as well. That's why I haven't really swapped over radios, because it's like that. But none of that 6-disc multiplay, you know, when I haven't got reception. Choice of 6 discs without rummaging in the glove box and trying to change them and whatever. It was ideal. But I did strip the radio down, even although I got the program to decode them, so you know, you can get the code because they're code locked. I can get the codes. I dismantled the radio and put it as though it didn't need the code at all. I re-diverted off one of the chips that does the coding, and I deprogrammed it, in other words, from inside the radio. It can be done. Right, so that's that one done. Now I just got to do that bloody strip that's hanging down that bloody door. No, if you don't do it, they start bloody whistling around the door, so that'll be that. I ain't filming today because, as you can see, it's bloody dreary, overcast, freezing bloody cold. I don't know, is the temperature gauge up? Where's the temperature gauge in this thing? Turn the light on. I can turn the cupboard light off now. It's only 6 degrees. Bloody freezing. I don't know whether you can see that or not. It's only 6 degrees. You may ask why I'm out here in this bloody weather. It's because I'm off in it on Tuesday. I'm going out wild camping. So now you know. Tuesday, and I'm going northeast, in fact. So if you want to know more, watch the live. God, there's everybody down here. So yeah, that's it. So that one's done. That's done. Just done that up there. This light up here, even although it's a nice light, it's not bright enough. I don't know whether I'm going to put that one up there yet. Or I've left it in the house. Another one of those. They're bright. I mean, that's that one. That could be just that, a little bit too bright, that one down this end. I might swap them over, actually. I don't know. I might swap them over and put it down this end. And hopefully this year I'll have new cupboard doors and that, new cupboards. I'm really toying with the idea. I left those open. Look at it. I left those open because to me, you know, it's still an inch of insulation and then the bubble wrap over the top. You know, I saved an awful lot of space there and gained an awful lot of space up there. I should have done it in the cupboards as well, really. And so the cupboards went back another bloody 4 inches, made them bigger. But yes, I'm going to make new cupboard doors eventually for those 3, these 3, and those 2. and possibly this one on the under sink storage. I'm going to make it lower, as though underneath this side of the sink, from there to there. I've got a knife and fork drawer then. As it is at the moment, my knives and forks are in there. Let's turn the light on. Light in every cupboard. Yeah, knives and forks are in underneath the sink. As you can see, I could even, well, I can't put it there. Definitely go this side. I've got loads of room on this side I can put it. Never mind. I haven't put, that's one of those roof bar lights. I haven't put that on yet. Toying with it out here. Right, okay. Stop recording. Do as you're told. Stop recording. Let's. I gotta turn that off, haven't I? Right, done my door. It's now all sealed around there. A little bit wavy there, but I'm opening the door, hold it there. It's still keeps coming down a tad in that corner. There's nothing I can do to make it bigger, to make it grip. But anyway, that's all back on. Done. It's too fucking cold up there for me.
Especially with the snow.
I got to eat in full bore on here. Well, the forecast is next weekend, isn't it?
Yeah.
So well, that was the mayor of Leominster. Much used as a chocolate fire guard. Right, yeah, radio's working. Right, is all I'm going to do now is I just went in the house and I got a mega big one and a light. He's even bigger than that one. So I'm going to stick him there. Oh, the camera sometimes tilts down, so he's going up there anyway, just to light up this area. Not that I need any more light in here, because got a kitchen light, that's bloody bright. But as I say, when I'm stood at the sink, I'm stood now at the sink, and I cast a shadow, so I can't see what I'm doing. So that's why I moved one forwards. He's a little bit too big for this job, but anyway, right. Stop recording. You bloody idiot, stop recording. Stop recording. Well, I always do that. I start the job, I forget about filming it. I got all my kit out. There's the big light that I'm putting up there. I've had to turn that one on because I've already taken that one down, and I've just started to wire him up as though I can put him up there. And I tested him, he is a lot bloody brighter. So, but I fetched the wire through there. I'm going to put another switch on him, as though I can turn it off if I want to, as though just the backlights are on, because they're already on a switch. I can turn those off independently, right? So I don't have to get up and go over there. I can just flick a switch here. So that's what I'm going to do. Stop recording. I'm going to go in the house and show you why I've been out working on the van. Just find something to do.
Are you trying to that way, babe? This side?
That dog's deaf. That dog's deaf.
Well, at least he's honest. Breathe in.
I won't say a word about weight.
Let's go back upstairs. You don't want to
What you eating?
Finger. It's okay. I'm eating my finger.
So can I come and have a sandwich, can I? Have I?
Under the foil.
Why did you put him over here? Why did... Well, that's true, but Mm-hmm. Nom, 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 nom.
You're going to smell nice later.
Hmm?
You're going to smell nice later.
Egg.
Well, this is egg and salad cream, whereas I've done egg mayo.
Okay, some salad.
Mummy.
Mummy?
What?
Who said you could use my plates? Hmm? Here are plates out of my camper.
He's got a recorder going, so you've got Fran there.
Hi, she's over there.
She's over where?
I go. I go.
Yeah, it's fine, it's like chunkier. So she's going to block my chunkiness.
It's getting it to stop though.
Watch this. That's